This is question 10 in exercise 3.4 in text and test 4 new edition. In the given diagram, the length of AD is equal to the length of DB is equal to 5 centimeters. The angle ABC is equal to 43 and the measure of the angle ACB is equal to 72. So that's all marked on our diagram. We've got to find the length of AB, which I will mark with an X on the diagram. And we've got to find the length of CD, which I'll mark at a Y on our diagram. And we've got to give each answer correct to one decimal place. So the only thing that's missing for us to get this done, to use a sine rule for this, which we can do, is just the angles that are going to be opposite these sides that we're working with. But we can fill that in. So if we look at the triangle ADB, we've got two sides of equal measure, which means that the angles opposite them are also going to be equal. So our angle at the top here, the angle DAB, is also going to be 43 degrees. And if this is 43 degrees, and this is 43 degrees on the bottom, then we can figure out the third angle left over because all three angles inside this triangle should add up to 180, which means that this angle down here is going to be 94 degrees. So that's how we figured that one out. It's going to be 180 minus 43 minus 43, we get 94. And then we can use that to fill in the angle to the left of this line, the angle ADC, because that will be 180 degrees minus 94. So that's going to be 84 degrees just down at that. And now that we know that the top angle here has to sum up with the other two to reach 180. So if we take 72 and 84 away from 180, we get 22 degrees. So we have 22 degrees up here. So now with all of that done, we can now put together our sine rule to get the length of the lines we're looking for. So we'll start with AB. So we can say X over, and then the sine of the angle opposite it, which is 94, so sine 94. And that's going to be equal to 5 over the sine of 43. And then it was do a quick look, and we're going to move our divide by sine 94 over, so we get X equals 5 times the sine of 94 all over the sine of 43, which means X is going to be equal to 7.313537016. But we're asked to give that correct to one decimal place, so X is approximately equal to 7.3 centimeters. So that's the length of the line AB. For the length of the line CD, we're going to do the same thing again. So it's going to be Y over sine 22 is equal to, it's going to be 5 over sine 72 this time. So we're dealing with the triangle on the left this time. Which means we're going to say that our Y is equal to 5 times the sine of 22 all over the sine of 72. Which means that our Y is equal to 1.96942341. So that means that Y is approximately equal to 2.0 centimeters. And that is that.